lumabas lang siya nung sinabi kong may gagawin ang ombudsman tungkol siya. So, it's a surprise, secret decision that came from him.
So it was a secret, sir?
Well, nobody was raising that issue before. Joel Villanueva kept quiet through all the years. Ombudsman Martinez never spoke about it. Diba parang secret decision siya? Alam niyo ba yun? Did you know about it? Nobody knows about it.
Sabi po ni Senator Villanueva, sabi niya daw po, sir, na since naman daw po ay harassment and fake news daw po.
Well, harassment is not harassment. It's something that everybody thinks to be still valid. That can turn out to be not valid anymore due to a secret decision. Dapat kasi, hindi naman na-publish yan, hindi yan nilabas. Nobody knew about it. Kahit sa scientists pa, hindi nila alam yan. Even dito sa atin, hindi know about it. Ngayon yung nila nilabas. So don't you call that a secret decision?
But sir, what about the people near the ombudsman's office? Siyempre, alam din dapat nila yan, sir.
Exactly. Nobody was raising any issue about this before this. Hindi ko alam eh. Basta it's a very mysterious decision. Kasi nga, it's a public interest decision. He ran for public office, he was elected senator. So it's a very newsworthy thing. And it's something that is in the public interest.
Kailangan pa ba ng investigation internally sa ombudsman?
And we're studying the decision. We're studying everything.
Sir, to be very clear, will you still send the letter or hindi na?
Hindi na. Kasi nga, nagbago na yung premises natin. Nagbago na. Teka, ano na? Thank you. Okay.